Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw a super fun playground water slide today? Let's start drawing!
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw the tall pillars that hold up our playground water slide today. Make them nice and strong. Great job! Now, draw the big sliding area.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Use long, curved lines coming down from the top. Wow! Our water slide is taking shape! At the bottom of the slide, draw a big water tub. This is where everyone makes a splash when they reach the end. Awesome! Now, add some fun water splashes coming out of the tub. Splash! Splash! That looks so exciting! Nice job, everyone! Our playground water slide drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Awesome! Your playground water slide looks bright, colorful, and super fun! Fantastic work, little artists! I hope you had fun drawing and coloring this playground water slide with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings on Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.